How to cancel Amazon Prime Music Unlimited. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the tutorial. For this, you have to head over to amazon.com website. So in here, make sure you are logged into your account. You can also conduct this process using your application. Then tap on the user icon at the top. From here, scroll down until you see your membership and subscriptions and tap on it. If you have subscribed to Amazon Prime Music Unlimited, you will see the option of Manage Membership, where you can update, cancel, and more. All you have to do is tap on Manage Membership option and make sure that you have expanded the Manage Membership option. To cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited, firstly scroll down until you see this option, then tap on Cancel Subscription. Now when you tap on Cancel Subscription, you have to confirm regarding your cancellation. Tap on Continue to Cancel. When you tap on it, your Amazon Prime Music Unlimited subscription will be cancelled. However, for confirmation, Amazon Music will most likely send you a mail regarding your confirmation of the cancellation. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.